Hi everyone, Paula here, empty nester at 40. Thanks for joining me today. So today is going to be just a simple and quick decorate with me. I know a lot of people don't decorate for Halloween, or they just decorate, they would go right into like fall or Thanksgiving. What's the difference between fall and Thanksgiving? I mean, I know that there's a lot of Thanksgiving like thankful and maybe the turkey gets incorporated, but anyways, I like decorating for all the seasons, always have, probably always will, even after my daughter has now left the nest, so she doesn't live here at home. I still love decorating for every season, and that includes Halloween as well. Now, I don't get all crazy or anything. I just, like putting things out on my mantle, on my entertainment stand. I put a few things outside. So, anyways, thanks for joining today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, let's get started. Thanks.
On this Decorate With Me video, my plan is not to do a play-by-play on what I am doing. Obviously, you can see from the video what I'm doing. I am incorporating a good amount of the Halloween DIYs that I did have videos for. I will link those videos in the description as well as in the tag up above. But yeah, so right here, I am simply just using one of those black cloth. I don't even know what they're called. What are they? Just black cloth fabrics. I also bought a white cloth fabric that I will use later on my display as well. This is the coolest little plastic mirror that I picked up at a Dollar Tree. We were actually going to Delaware. We live in Maryland, and we stopped at a Dollar Tree, and I picked this up. And I have not seen this particular mirror in any of the other Dollar Trees in my area. So that was pretty cool. But again, I'm not going to do a play-by-play. I hope you enjoy this video of me decorating my mantle. And I also decorate a little lantern that I have and a wooden basket. Well, it's not really a basket, but it's a wooden crate, like a handle crate. I don't know what those are called. Anyways, I picked it up from the Goodwill, and I have fun decorating it for all the different seasons. So I do want to apologize for the video. It gets lighter, it gets darker, it gets lighter, it gets darker. I think it's just the sunlight because we have the two big windows right next to our mantles. So um, I do apologize for that, but I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this inspires you to decorate your mantle, your shelf, your bookcase, anything for Halloween. Thanks.